Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get a consulate card in Cote D'Ivoire. I'm a Ghanaian living in Cote D'Ivoire. I've been here for 1 month and for 1 year and a month now. So as a foreigner living in Cote D'Ivoire, it is very important to have your consulate card with you and the residential permit in case you are going out or you went out and something happens. Let's say you didn't cause anything but you were found around that problem or whatever, and the police arrest you or maybe trying to ask you questions, and if they realize to know, or if they realize that you are a foreigner, by all means they're going to ask you of your consulate card. And if you have one, that will help you, or that's going to save your day. So the thing is, since yesterday I've planned to get my consulate card from the Ghanaian embassy in Cote d'Ivoire here. So yesterday I submitted my Ghana card. So now this video is purposely for receiving or getting your consulate card in Cote d'Ivoire. So the thing is, if you are preparing as a Ghanaian living in Cote d'Ivoire to also get your consulate card, it will be better for you to go to the embassy yourself without any middleman. I hope you got me clear, because the price is 5,500. Yesterday I went and asked, and they told me it was 5,500. Meanwhile, there was a middleman who took 10,000 from my younger brother, who was a Togolese. So he was also going to have his Togolese consulate card, and he didn't have the time to go himself, so he gave it to the middleman, and the man charged him, or the man told him to bring 10,000 safer. So the guy profited about 4,500 instead of him taking 5,000 from him. If you wanna cut costs, you don't want someone to fraud you, the best advice is you better go to the embassy yourself. Yesterday I went there. The place was nice, just like it looked like East Legon of Ghana. I met the man there, the security guard greeted, we entered, and I asked questions. So how much was the price? He told me the price is 5,500. I thought it was 7,000 because when I was coming to Cote d'Ivoire here, I came with some few Ghanaians in the bus, and we were discussing about the residential permit and the consulate card, and they told me it was 7,000. So all while I had 7,000 in my mind, but when I went there and asked myself, they told me it's 5,500. Now the second thing is, if you are going, you are prepared to have your consulate card as a Ghanaian living in Cote d'Ivoire. That's the Ghanaian consulate card, which will help you to be legally recognized as a Ghanaian living in Cote d'Ivoire, or as a foreigner. Is make sure you have your Ghana card. 1, 2, make sure you have a photocopy of the Ghana card, black and white, right? Both the front and the back. So after photocopying with your Ghana card, make sure you have more than 10,000 with you. Why am I saying that? Or make sure you have something which will be more than the 5,500, because by all means you are going to pick maybe Uber or Yango or maybe a Trotro, and by all means it is not that far from Yopougon and Wasakara. So maybe if you are staying a bit far away from this thing, the location. Now the location where the embassy is, it is Cocody at what's the name? C'est deuxième plateau, no? Deux plateaux. Okay. So the place is Deux plateaux at Cocody. That's where you'll be able to get the Ghanaian embassy. So if you are willing to have your consulate card, 1, make sure you have your Ghana card. 2, make sure you prepare the photocopy of the Ghana card in black and white, front and back. After that, make sure you have 2 passport pictures, or maybe 3, because by all means they will use your passport pictures, your photocopy and the Ghana card, pick some information, ask you the name of your mom, your dad, and you know what you are doing currently, what are you doing in the country. So just some few questions and you'll be good to go. So yesterday I went, they asked me the questions, I submitted, but I forgot my distant photocopy of the Ghana card at home. So I just have to, you know, go outside and photocopy or do another photocopy. I sent it back. He took the money and took the information. Then he told me to come back today for the card, meaning the card is going to take only 2 days to get it. But for my younger brother who was from Togo and who was, you know, going to do his Togolese consulate card, I think his own took about 1 week because it involved a middleman. I don't want to talk much, so I think this video is very important. Yes, I'm a Ghanaian living in Cote D'Ivoire. So if you are a Ghanaian also living in Cote d'Ivoire, shout out to you. Though I haven't found more Ghanaian in my area, I wish to, you know, get to know more Ghanaians, and there will be more videos to come. But this is just the first one. There will be more videos where I'll be visiting the zoos and, you know, other places, other important places in the country. Yes, it's very, very important. You don't have to be working all day because we don't have time, you know, to go out and, you know, see places. We don't travel always from morning till evening. We work, after work we just go and sleep. So sometimes I just try harder, work out, jog, and maybe go around the town and come and sleep. But I think it's very important to also start, you know, visiting tourist sites and, you know, other stuffs. So guys, I don't want to talk much, and I think this video is very important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon.